What happened at this home?
This house caught on fire.
Ooh.
Yeah, somebody burnt it down. It's a shame.
What are you doing in here?
We're replumbing the entire thing. We are in the basement of a home that caught on fire. So we've cut the concrete, and as you can see, the concrete's extra thick. That was fun. Big shout out to Shamrock Concrete. They're the best. They cut all our concrete and removed it. Those guys are amazing. If you need your concrete cut or polished or grinded, give Sean a call. Over here we have a 3-inch running over to a new bathroom group. This is actually going to be a floor drain. Here's some plumbing that we cut out of the basement here. This used to be a 3-inch floor drain, and this is the P-trap. Somebody made this P-trap instead of going and buying one. We wouldn't do that at Right Now Plumbing and Heating. We would actually go buy a real P-trap. They used 1 regular 90 and 2 street 90s here and put it all together. I guess in a pinch, we don't work in a pinch. We don't work in a pinch. Work in a pinch. Yeah, we started brand new. She's gonna have a system that's gonna last 80, 100 years. It's gonna be amazing. This is gonna be a bar sink down here in the basement where that gauge is. Well, by uniform plumbing code, this needs to hold 5 pounds for 15 minutes. This system here has been on test for about a week and a half, and it's still exactly at 5 pounds. That means the system's done 100% correctly. This fitting that's down here, this yellow ball here, this is a test ball. This gets aired up to about 35 PSI through our apparatus over there. All of these caps are glued on, and a lot of times guys don't do this part. They just glue it and rough it in and don't get inspections. That's not how we do stuff at Right Now Plumbing and Heating. Every job we do is inspected, pressure test. We make sure that it's done correctly, and we make sure that it passes inspection. When I was a kid, my mom's house burnt down, and I don't know, it just kind of brings back memories, and I remember what it was like to lose everything. So I get to be part of that, giving them their home back, and that means a lot to me at the end of the day. I get to be a part of all my customers' lives and making sure that they have good quality plumbing, heating, and air conditioning service company. But it's cool to be able to be a part of bringing that back to someone's life and getting them their house back where their memories were made. It won't ever be the same, but at least they still have a home. This is just one of those fun things that it's a bonus. Our goal by doing a properly installed plumbing system is not only to protect the house and to protect the owner's belongings, but to protect the relationships and the integrity of our company and surrounding Missoula community. I've been here my entire life, and I love this town. I really, truly love this town, and I love the customers that I deal with every day. And I want to make sure that they're getting what they pay for.